The first step to working online is figuring out everything, absolutely everything that you can offer through the internet. So I offer YouTube marketing, basically, like a specific part of YouTube marketing to businesses. I also sell courses on how to work online so that people can travel. So those are examples with me, but some other examples are like graphic designing, like if you're on Canva, I have clients that have done that. Being able to use a computer is something that some of my clients have also been doing. So that would be like becoming a virtual assistant, because you can use a computer, email, all that stuff. So like literally anyone that knows how to use the internet can find work online. And I'm just gonna challenge you to think of everything, literally anything that you could offer online. Some people have even done like pet training through the internet. It can come from literally anywhere in your life. YouTube SEO, which is what I do, came from my hobby at one point of like posting YouTube videos, like because I was posting travel vlogs. It can come from your professional career. It can come from what you studied in college, in high school, whatever. It can come from the clubs you've done in college, the things that you do outside of your professional settings. So literally think of anything that you think you can do through the internet. This is the first step, because you can find anyone to work with you or purchase from you or be your client doing things that are online, no matter what it is. Next, all you have to do is find the people that you can work with doing whatever that you think you can offer through the internet. And if you need help with that, let me know. My DMs and comments are open.